Very well. Court is adjourned. We're on the record in People versus Holler with a motion to reduce bail.
Yes. Thank you, Your Honor. I came in with a prepared statement about the fact that the defendant has both the means and motive to flee. There is an ongoing investigation into allegations that the defendant has plans to flee the country to Mexico upon his release.
That is quite an allegation, Miss Berg. I hope you can back it up.
All I know at the moment is that a confidential informant in jail told investigators that the defendant plans to flee to Baja California upon his release.
First of all, there is no confidential informant. There are only the jail deputies listening in on privileged phone calls and then feeding what they hear to the prosecution in an outrageous violation of my constitutional rights.
Another very serious accusation.
My team and I decided to test our theory. We created a false story during a privileged phone call with my co-counsel, and that story just came out of Ms. Berg's mouth practically verbatim.
The audacity, Your Honor. He just confirmed the plan himself, and now he's trying to spin it into some conspiracy theory, although he conveniently has no evidence to provide in support of it. Privileged calls are not recorded, as the defendant knows.
Yeah, well, this one was. As I said, Your Honor, we were testing our theory, so my investigator taped the call. We can play it right now.
Objection.
To what exactly, Miss Berg?
Well, for one thing, we have no way to authenticate this call.
Your Honor, our investigator can authenticate it under oath. And as an officer of the court, I can attest to the accuracy of the recording.
You introduced this insanity, Miss Berg, so either Mr. Holler is a flight risk or we have an even more serious problem.
This is Mickey Haller, pro se defendant, talking to my co-counsel, Lorna Crane. This call is privileged and confidential and should not be recorded. All right, go ahead, Lorna.
With the court's permission, I'd like to jump ahead to the relevant section.
Please.
All right, one more thing. Are we good to go in Baja?
Yeah, man, it's all set.
Yeah, the whole kit and caboodle.
You can trust my guy on this, Mick. He's got it down to a science.
What if they make me wear a bracelet?
Well, he can do that too.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
All right, I'll see you both tomorrow.
This is Lorna Crane, co-counsel for pro se defendant Michael Haller. This conversation was a test to see if attorney-client privilege has been violated. It is currently 6:48 p.m. on Thursday, November 6th.
Your Honor, on my word, as an officer of the court, I did not listen to that call.
A serious injustice has been done, not only to this defendant, but to the system at large. In that case, I'm reducing bail to $1 million effective immediately. Is that acceptable to the defense?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.